Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true. So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more. A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way. It takes a little time to go from water into wine. Don't ever lose the wonder of that child within your eyes. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you.
Happy birthday, attorney! I miss you and thank you for the friendship and more projects to come for Chummies.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ems. Ano po ba sasabihin ko? Sorry sa itsura ko po, medyo dugyot. Ayun, happy birthday po. Wala naman akong sasabihin sa inyo, Ma'am. Masaya naman kayo ngayon. Love life. Hindi po ako sure kung may love life po kayo ngayon. Pero kahit naman wala, masaya ka naman po And, ayun. Wala naman po akong sasabihin kundi more blessings to come. Especially sa business mo po na sobrang nag-grow ngayon. And thank you po for the advice sa lahat ng advice na binibigay niyo sa akin kahit di niyo na ako nakikita. Sa lahat ng tips, professionally, personally, mapa-practical and stuff. Yun, thank you po. And sana magkita po tayo soon. Kahit na hindi ako, nakakadalaw na kay Mopel. Sana magkita po tayo soon together nila Ate Sha and nila Ma'am Shai. And yun, ayun lang po. More blessings. And stay happy. Always keep your smile. Yun yung pinakatatak mo sa akin, Ma'am Ems. Yung tawa mo. So, ayun. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Chummy. More happiness and more successful in life. I miss you.
Hi, Ma'am Ems! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day kasi araw mo ngayon. Ikaw na yung pinakamagandang babae sa araw na to kasi birthday mo wish you have many more birthdays to come and may God grant your what your heart desires kasi mabuti kang tao. Kaya maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mems! Happy Kaarawan! Flowers for you! Kumusta na po, ma'am? Wish ko sa'yo, ma'am. Sana lagi kang maging masaya, good health, and more success in life. Ma'am, thank you po sa lahat ng mga kabutihan mo na pinakita mo sa akin noong time na magkasama tayo. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng mga naituro mo sa akin kasi never mong pinagdamot yung mga kaalaman mo. Lagi mong sinishare sa iba. And na-miss ko na yung malakas na tawa mo, ma'am. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming projects. And syempre, ma'am, sana wag mo munang isara yung puso mo kasi malay mo, bata ka pa, marami pang darating na right guy para sa'yo. God bless you, ma'am. Happy Kaarawan ulit. I love you.
Walang niyo. Sasampahin kita.